Well, if you think surviving college is easy, it's not. And let me tell you why. Firstly, attendance criteria. Now, everyone knows that 67% is the attendance criteria Delhi University ka. So, accordingly, please calculate your attendance के तुम्हें एक सेमेस्टर में कितनी क्लासेस अटेंड करनी चाहिए so that at least you can give the exam if not anything else. Now some colleges might vary it थोड़ा बहुत, like मेरे कॉलेज में 50% अटेंडेंस पे भी you were allowed to give the paper. You just have to sign this form which states कि तुम नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में उतनी अटेंडेंस कंपनसेट कर दोगे. ट्राई करो ऐसी सिचुएशन में ना ही पढ़ो तो बेटर है, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट सो मच वर्क. लाइक सब कुछ स्मूथली हो जाए ना, ऐसे फालतू ऑब्स्टिकल्स क्यों क्रिएट करना. नेक्स्ट वुड बी असाइनमेंट्स. देयर माइट बी डेज जब तुम्हें 4-5 असाइनमेंट सबमिट करने पड़े द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे. सो इट्स बेटर कि तुम पाइल अप ना करो चीज़ें, वरना यूड एंड अप पुलिंग अप एन ऑल नाइटर. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई से दिस विद एक्सपीरियंस. Then you might meet some people who are really sweet to you, and you know, first few interactions may you are like that they are my bestie, but my bestie, they are not your bestie. Now I do not mean to be mean, but in most cases that's true. So take time, understand them, analyze them, and then if you feel कि yeah, everything is good, then great, enjoy. But just be careful, do not overshare. एक ही बारी में अपनी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी मत सुनाओ. The next would be, well, internal के marks. So let me tell you that your presence and showing up matters. There can be times जब teachers would just give marks like face value पे. They know that you have been showing up and you have been attending classes. तो हो सकता है तुम्हें internals के marks decent मिल जाए, if not full. So yeah, just show up, because अगर तुम class ही नहीं आ रहे, then how do you expect to get marks? Next would be AEC, and I hope that you are aware about these subjects. Now you might think that these subjects are pretty useless, and why would I study art of being happy in such an unhappy state? And that's right, you are right. These subjects are actually pretty useless. मतलब they are not adding value to your life, or at least they have not added any value to my life. Like, but you cannot take them lightly, because many times these are the subjects जिनकी वजह से CGPA गिर जाता है. Well, it takes a lot of time to go to college and come back. I mean, it can be 1 hour for some, 2 hours for others, and 3 hours for some rare ones. I hope it's not. That's a lot. So there might be days कि तुम कॉलेज जाओ and teacher is absent, या फिर class has been cancelled. So ऐसा होगा, इसका कोई solution नहीं है, ऐसा होगा, मैं बस बता रही हूँ. So be prepared. It's okay. अब तुम्हारा दिन बर्बाद हो गया तो कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. The transition from school to college is actually weird. Because what do you mean? I was traveling by bus to school and now I'm traveling by metro. What do you mean? What do you mean? I was done with classes by 2 p.m. and now I don't even know when are my classes gonna end. So yeah, this transition is actually, matlab, not a lot of people talk about it, but it's tough. And give it some time, it will be all right. And finally, I'd like to say, कि make friends. Like, even if not a lot, मैंने कही 10-15 बनाओ, 3-4, but if even that's tough for you, then one person. You just need that one person to survive college, be it in your course or outside your course. That one friend with whom you can rant about college, you can crib about it, you can share stuff, you can help them, they can help you. It's actually it's actually very very useful. मतलब अगर तुम 100% exhausted हो ना, with like one just good friend, that can reduce down to 50% very easily. So yeah, have that one friend and enjoy college, because दैट्स जस्ट गोना हैपन ओनली वंस. ठीक है, क्रिप भी करो, बट आई एम श्योर यू गोना मेक सम मेमोरीज दैट आर एक्चुअली नाइस एंड गुड. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.